The intake valves are open.
I think it needs a little.
The pressure looks consistent.
Keep an eye on the door.
Ensure the spacing remains.
The temperature is slightly high. The color
on this batch is slight. The intake speed seems.
I have the next box ready for.
The intake valves are open. They are ready for the transfer.
Confirming the weight on the manifest now.
Looks correct. Everything is running smoothly.
The elasticity looks good.
I think it needs a little more water.
Let me adjust the speed first. The pressure looks consistent on this batch. Yeah, the patterns are coming out clearly.
Keep an eye on the dough flow right here. Yeah. It seems consistent. Yes, the belt.
Ensure the spacing remains consistent as they enter the oven.
Understood. Monitoring the
The temperature is slightly high on zone 3. The color on batch 3 looks perfect. I agree. The biscuits on this side seem a little overdone. Yes, let's adjust the temperature settings now.
The color on this batch is slightly inconsistent.
It's within the acceptable range, but note the variance.
The intake speed seems optimized now.
Yes, the flow rate is consistent.
I have the next box ready for you.
Great, just slide it right here.